Alright guys, so here's another variation to this model that you can use. Okay, so everything the same, right? You have your external taken out, your drawn liquidity is this fair value gap. Now on the 1 hour time frame, let's say you get a market structure shift, but you don't have a clean PD array, you don't have a fair value gap here, you don't have a clean auto block here, right? What you can do is you have to wait for an ABCD setup to form here. So A, B, C, D, right? Even if you don't want to take your trade from, let's say, the fair value gap, you can look for this pattern here. So A, B, C, D. Once you have the A, B, C, D, price takes out this high over here. So now we zoom in onto the 5-minute time frame. This is when price takes out this level, right? So we want to mark out this low, right? And we want to scout out the market maker consolidation from this move right here, right, to here. So this right here is consolidation, then we get second accumulation, right? So now when price takes out the high, we look for a market structure shift on the 5-minute time frame, right? From here onwards, when you get a market structure shift, what you can do is look for a second distribution entry model, right? You can do that, or you can just simply enter from the fair value gap that forms here or the auto block. Okay, so the continuation is mostly going to happen from 8 a.m. till 10:30. Okay, so look for a continuation setup in between these times. And remember guys, let's say that there is a news on the same day and your setup forms before the news. You don't have to take that setup. You have to, in most cases, wait for the news to be over and then you can look for the setups. Okay, especially when you are trading on the 5-minute time frame, because using this combination, daily, hourly, and 5-minute, we're going to be taking trades on the 5-minute. So we have to trade after the news is over, not before that, okay? So this is the continuation pattern, right? You get a purge A, B, C, D, right? Then you wait for a market structure shift on the 5-minute time frame. So the ABCD occurs on the 1 hour. Once that happens, you mark out the move, right? That is where you want to scout out the market maker model that has consolidation like that. And you drop down to 5-minute, get a market structure shift, take your entry, mitigation blocks, boom, 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 boom. That is your take profit level. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much about it. I'm going to give you guys some examples and then we'll move on to the last couple of lectures.